Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to copy and paste keyframes in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, just click the following options. You can use any of the accounts that you have, and if you haven't already, just click the create an account option and follow the on-screen instructions. Copying and pasting keyframes in Adobe Premiere Pro is a useful skill for efficiently applying consistent animations or effects across clips. Basically, once you're logged into your account, I want you to hover to the clip that you wanted to work with. For example, this image, I'm going to clip them into two parts by pressing the C button in your keyboard, this one, and I'm going to hover the first clip here. This is going to be the second clip, and this is going to be the first clip. Now, for the first clip, I want you to go to the editing section. Make sure you are here. Go to the motion section. You see, I'm going to drag this so you can see it right here. If you select the first position right here, it moves, right? On the second part is this, and you click the circle icon here. That is going to be one keyframe. You see? All right, so let's do that again. Maybe this time for now. One keyframe. You see this small icon? That's a keyframe. And then for the scale, maybe we're going to maximize it here and put another keyframe. So you have now two keyframes. Now, if you want to copy and paste this keyframes to make it the frames and animation consistent to the clip that we have here, all I have to do is right click on the first one. You see there is an option that says copy. All right. And then click the second clip, right click on it. You see there should be an option that says show clip keyframes. All right. If you do that, you would see all of these options as well. The motion is position, scale, uniform, and a lot of that, and click the paste attributes. You see, you have all of these options for you, and make sure that the motion is included because that would give you the keyframes that you have copied from the first clip to the second clip. All right, it's very easy. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.